Hello, welcome back again to NX Multi-Wizard tutorial. So in this example, I would like to explain about this one, a cavity layout. So cavity layout is if you have more than one product for injection molding, then you must create a layout for each cavity. Now in here I have two examples. The other one is this one. Okay, now for this first example, I click this, NX automatically will select this one as the body. As you can see in here, we have two options, rectangular and circular. For example, now I will show you the rectangular. I choose the balance and then specify the factor. You can see in here. Now in here I have option 2 or 4. I choose 4. The first distance is 0, the second distance is 20, and then we going to click this one, generate layout. If I click start layout, now as you can see in here, we have the rectangular layout with the cavity count, include the original one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The first distance is 0 in here, the second distance is 20 in here. Okay, and then after you create this layout, you can see in here the mold coordinate system is at the center for this cavity only. So the next thing you must do is to click this one, auto center. It will shift automatically, so the mold coordinate system will be at the center for all these 4 cavity layout. That's how to create the rectangular layout. Now I will explain about how to create the circular layout. Okay, go back again to this cavity layout. It will be automatically selected. You go to circular, you specify the point where it's going to start. For example, I'm going to start at the center, this one. Okay, the cavity count, okay, 6. Start angle is from 0. Rotate angle 360 degrees. It means it's going to make one circle, and the radius is 120 millimeters. Let's see. Okay, it's going to be like this. Okay, you can see it be at the center, and then to make sure it's center, click again auto center, and then you click close. So that's it. How to use the cavity layout for both rectangular and the circular.